If you've applied for a job recently, you know the cycle. You stare at a blank page, tweak the exact same bullet points for the 50th time, and wait. The administrative burden of a modern job search can swallow your entire weekend. But you can engineer your way out of this trap by building an automated job search ecosystem, one that handles the discovery, the tailoring, and the formatting, allowing you to step back while the system does the heavy lifting. This system runs on 3 main tools: Claude Code acting as your local AI agent, N8N to connect the data pipelines, and Google Sheets to log the results. By automating the sourcing and drafting phases, you win back hours of your week. Because of how we structure this setup, every application generated is tailored to the role and built to pass automated screening without the manual rewrite. Before we give an AI any permission to write applications on our behalf, we have to establish strict boundaries. Left to its own devices, a standard language model will often invent fake experience just to match a keyword on a job description. To prevent that, step 1 is gathering every factual document you have, old CVs, LinkedIn exports, and reference letters, and dropping them into a single local folder. Next, run /setup in your terminal. Claude Code compiles those disparate files into a unified source of truth. This profile acts as a hard boundary. If a job requires a skill not explicitly listed, the system blocks the AI, explicitly acknowledging the gap instead. A strictly grounded, hallucination-free profile is the only safe way to entrust an automated agent with your professional reputation. With your profile locked in, we move to sourcing roles without mindlessly scrolling job boards. For this, we use the visual automation tool N8N. Inside the N8N Kansas, you connect your LinkedIn account to pull in fresh job postings, wire up the Anthropic API to analyze them, and link Google Sheets to record the results. As jobs are scraped, each passes a Claude scoring filter that evaluates the requirements against your ground truth profile. You configure a threshold gate, say 70%. Jobs scoring below are instantly rejected, while only high probability matches are allowed to move forward. The final output of this pipeline is a curated list of relevant roles dropping directly into a spreadsheet, complete with links and fit scores. By filtering algorithmically, you remove the exhaustion of reading hundreds of irrelevant posts. You spend your energy strictly on high-probability opportunities. When you spot a job you like in that spreadsheet, you grab the URL, go back to your terminal, and type the /apply command to initiate document generation. To avoid an AI text wall, a dual agent architecture works in a feedback loop. Agent 1 drafts tailored LaTeX code, dropping low-scoring bullets to fit a 2-page limit. Meanwhile, Agent 2 reviews the draft, catching orphans and forcing revisions until the layout is flawless. Once the layout is approved, the system runs a text extraction test on the rendered PDF. This verifies that an automated applicant tracking system can cleanly parse your contact details and keywords. This process generates perfectly structured PDF resumes and cover letters, tailored to the role and ready for submission. This review loop takes the hours of frustration normally spent wrestling with fonts and margins and condenses it into seconds of automated precision. After the application is out, the system shifts into a predictive coaching tool. You simply type /interview. The AI cross-references your tailored CV with the job description, drawing lines from specific requirements to predicted technical and behavioral questions. It then collapses into a clean cheat sheet, mapping the company's core values directly to your strongest real-world examples using the STAR format. Walking into an interview with preparation rooted in the company's own requirements gives you a clear advantage over candidates relying on generic advice. You now have an ecosystem handling the heavy lifting in the background. It continuously sources opportunities, logs the data, and drafts tailored documents exactly when you need them. You are no longer doing manual data entry or tweaking page layouts. Your role is now strictly strategic. You are reviewing the generated assets and deciding exactly where to deploy them. There's a lot more to help you at JobSearch.Community. Become an insider and get coaching from Jeff Altman, as well as video courses, books, and guides to help you. Or you can purchase individual products and services a la carte. We want to help. If you like the video, share it. Leave a comment, click the like button, follow the channel. It will help other people if you do.